everyone, Mike here from Robart. Today we're going to be talking about our Super Stand, part number 401. So if you've been in the modeling hobby for any amount of time, you know our Super Stand. This is the 401. This product has been around probably as long as Robart's been around. Let's go ahead and open up the package. Let's see what you get. Label. All right. This is probably the easiest product that you'll ever put together. So you have one side, goes right in there. You have your other side, goes right in here. Now, you can put your airplane right into these slots, and you have working areas in between, all made out of foam. Actually, it's a great place to hold tools. Just jam them right into the foam. It's a great product if you're working on planes, boats, cars, anything that you want supported up. Wonderful for painting, finishing, so on and so forth. So, if you got any questions on the Robart part number 401 Super Stand, give us a call at 630-584-7616. Or check us out online at www.robart.com or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Have a great day.